Welcome back. In this video, let's explore Amazon Q Apps, a no-code way to build AI-powered tools using just natural language. What is Amazon Q Apps? Amazon Q Apps is a feature of Amazon Q Business. It lets anyone, even non-developers, create custom generative AI applications by simply describing what they want the app to do. How does it work? Just type in a prompt, like, summarize customer feedback by product category. Amazon Q will automatically create an app interface with input fields, file upload options, and AI-generated responses. You can easily customize the layout, change prompts, all without writing code. Pricing. Amazon Q Apps is part of Amazon Q Business. Pricing depends on the number of users and features enabled. There's no extra fee for using Q Apps, but usage can affect overall costs based on your plan. Use cases. Common examples include analyzing customer feedback, automating HR or IT support, summarizing documents, planning sales strategies, building project assistance. With this brief introduction, let's dive into the hands-on section. Let's do hands-on with Amazon Q Apps. Amazon Q Apps isn't a standalone service. It's a capability built into Amazon Q Business. So, before using Q Apps, we first need to create a Q Business application. Let's start by searching for Amazon Q Business in the AWS console. This will take us to the Q Business homepage. Click on Get Started. Create a new application. This is your starting point for building and managing generative AI applications within your organization. At the top, the How It Works section outlines the 3 key steps. Create a generative AI application by naming it and setting up access. Enhance the application by connecting data sources, plugins, and guardrails. Customize the web experience to tailor the look and behavior for end users. Below, you'll find the applications list. Currently, there are no applications created, but once you add them, details like status, index type, creation time, and user access will appear here. To get started, click the Create Application button on the right. This will launch the setup flow, guiding you through naming the app, selecting access methods, and enabling features to power your generative AI experience. Click on Create Application. The default application name is already provided. You can change it. Next, choose how users will access your application. Authenticated access is selected as default, which means users must sign in before using the app. Alternatively, you can choose anonymous access, but it does not support features that require user authentication. The outcome option to access a managed web experience is enabled by default. This gives users a built-in interface to interact with your application. Here, you define how access to the application is managed. The AWS IAM Identity Center is selected and recommended. It lets you assign users and groups using AWS Identity Center. You could also use an external SAML identity provider if managing users outside AWS. For access management method, the application is connected to an existing IAM Identity Center instance. You can see the instance ARN and manage users and groups from there. We can set up Quick Start User. You can assign a default user to test the application after it's created. Let me select the user John Doe, which I have created in the AWS Identity Center. You can use this link to add new users in AWS Identity Center. Let the subscription type be Business Pro. The other option is Business Lite. The pricing detail is provided here. As you notice, for Amazon Q Business Lite it is $3 per user per month. And for Amazon Q Business Pro, it is $20 per user per month. Leave the remaining settings at their default values, then click Create and Open Web Experience. Next, this will open the Amazon Q Apps experience. Click on Create Amazon Q App. You'll be directed to the Q Apps Creator homepage, where you can start building your Q App. Welcome to the Amazon Q Apps Creator, your no-code solution to build custom generative AI apps for everyday tasks. Here, you can start by describing exactly what you want the app to do. Amazon Q will handle the rest, creating a tailored application just for your needs. If you're not sure where to begin, take inspiration from the pre-built prompts. For example, the Office Hours Question Manager helps organize and summarize questions submitted for team office hours. Or try the Marketing Tagline Generator, which crafts catchy taglines for your next campaign. In this example, there is pre-populated prompt to build a feedback analysis app. It reads, build an app that takes in a feedback file and a list of product categories as inputs, and outputs a concise summary highlighting top customer concerns and positive remarks for each category based on the feedback data in the file. You can modify this prompt or enter your own prompt and simply click the Generate button to start building your app. You can also create a blank app or explore the Q Apps library for more ideas. Amazon Q Apps makes it easy to turn ideas into working AI-powered tools, all in just a few clicks. Click on Generate to create the customer feedback Q app based on the provided prompt. This app helps you quickly summarize customer feedback across multiple product categories by highlighting key concerns and positive remarks. On the left, you'll find the feedback file input section. Here, you can simply drag and drop your customer feedback file or browse for files on your system. Supported formats include PDF, CSV, Excel, JSON, and more, with a file size limit of 50 megabytes. To the right, there's a text input for product categories. Just enter a comma-separated list of categories like smartwatch, mobile phone, headphones to guide the analysis. Once both inputs are provided, the app will automatically generate a concise feedback summary at the bottom. This section will populate with insights categorized by product type, helping you understand customer sentiment at a glance. All you have to do is click the Run button once the inputs are ready. It's fast, smart, and effortless, transforming raw feedback into actionable insights with just a few clicks. We begin by uploading our feedback data. This file contains customer feedback entries that will be analyzed. Next, in the product categories input box, we specify the categories we want to evaluate. In this case, we've listed smartwatch, mobile phone, and headphones. Once the inputs are ready, click the Run button at the bottom to generate the analysis. In just a few seconds, the feedback summary section is populated with insights. It lists top customer concerns and positive remarks for each product category. For example, for mobile phones, issues like blurry camera shutter and phone overheating are common concerns, while highlights include a user-friendly interface and fast charging. At the top right corner, you'll see the Add Card button. This allows you to create a new app interface card, handy when you want to analyze different files or test multiple input combinations side by side. Next to it, the Share button gives you options to share this app and its output, either with a team or more broadly, making it easier to collaborate or present findings. That's how simple it is to use the Customer Feedback Analyzer app to uncover actionable insights from customer feedback data. Once you've completed your hands-on session, don't forget to clean up. Delete your application to avoid charges after the trial ends. That's it. With Amazon Q Apps, you can build AI-powered applications using plain language, no coding required. In this tutorial, we created an app that summarizes customer feedback by product category. Here's what we did. Started by creating an Amazon Q business application, then navigated to Q Apps. Used a sample prompt to automatically generate the app interface. Uploaded a sample feedback file and specified the product categories. Ran the app to generate AI-powered summaries of customer concerns and positive remarks. Finally, published the app for reuse and sharing. Amazon Q Apps makes it fast and secure to turn your ideas into real generative AI tools, with just a few simple steps.